The Pi Network is a digital currency project that has attracted a large global community since its inception. One of the most talked about aspects of Pi is the Global Consensus Value, or GCV, which proposes a valuation of $314,159 per Pi coin. This figure, inspired by the mathematical constant Pi, was introduced by community members and has not been officially endorsed by the Pi core team. The ambitious GCV has sparked widespread discussion, with some viewing it as a symbol of potential and others questioning its feasibility. The debate continues as the Pi network evolves, highlighting both the enthusiasm and skepticism within the cryptocurrency community. The $314,159 Global Consensus Value, or GCV, associated with the Pi network draws its inspiration directly from the mathematical constant Pi, which is approximately 3.14159. Community members propose this valuation as a symbolic nod to the project's name and mathematical roots, multiplying the value of Pi by 100,000 to arrive at the figure. While the number has gained traction among some supporters, it serves more as a representation of community enthusiasm than an officially recognized price. The Pi core team has not endorsed this valuation, emphasizing that it remains a community-driven concept rather than a formal aspect of the network's protocol. The Pi core team has taken a clear position regarding the Global Consensus Value, or GCV, of $314,159 per Pi coin. They have explicitly stated that this valuation is not officially recognized and does not form part of the Pi network's protocol. The team has also issued warnings against speculative price claims, urging users to rely on factual information rather than community-driven rumors. By emphasizing caution, the Pi core team aims to prevent misunderstandings and protect users from unrealistic expectations. Ultimately, the actual value of Pi coins will be determined by market forces and user adoption, not by unverified consensus values. Recent advancements in the Pi network have captured the attention of the cryptocurrency community, particularly with the migration of around 50 million coins each day to mainnet wallets. This significant milestone reflects the project's ongoing efforts to transition user balances from the test environment to the live network, marking a crucial step toward broader adoption. Such large-scale migrations indicate growing user engagement and confidence in the platform's infrastructure. These developments also suggest that the Pi network is steadily moving closer to realizing its vision of a fully operational and widely used digital currency. As the project continues to evolve, these achievements are seen as important indicators of its progress and potential impact in the crypto space. Community discussions around the $314,159 global consensus value for Pi coin are both vibrant and divided. Advocates believe this valuation, inspired by the mathematical constant Pi, could set a strong foundation for the network's future and reflect the unique vision of the project. On the other hand, skeptics argue that such a high price is unrealistic, pointing out that it would result in an impractically large market capitalization. Many analysts suggest that the GCV serves more as a symbolic figure than a practical valuation. As debates continue, the community remains split, with some pushing for adoption and others urging caution and realism. Analysts have raised important questions about the implications of assigning a $314,159 value to each Pi coin. At this price point, the total market capitalization of the Pi network would reach levels far beyond those of established cryptocurrencies, making it highly impractical. Experts argue that such a valuation is largely symbolic, reflecting community enthusiasm rather than realistic market conditions. They caution that for any digital asset, sustainable value must be supported by real-world adoption, liquidity, and economic fundamentals. As a result, the $314,159 figure is widely viewed as aspirational rather than achievable under current circumstances. The global consensus value, or GCV, of $314,159 per Pi coin holds a unique symbolic significance within the Pi network community. Rooted in the mathematical constant pi, this figure has become a rallying point for many members, inspiring optimism and a sense of shared vision. Despite lacking official endorsement from the Pi core team, the GCV continues to influence community discussions, shaping expectations and fueling debates about the future value of Pi coins. For some, the GCV represents hope and the potential for transformative wealth, while for others, it serves as a reminder to approach speculative valuations with caution. Ultimately, the GCV's true impact lies in its ability to unite the community around a common idea, even as its practical realization remains uncertain. Currently, the global consensus value, or GCV, for Pi coins stands as a concept driven primarily by the Pi network community. Despite the attention it has received, this valuation has not been officially recognized by the Pi core team. Instead, the true market value of Pi coins is shaped by real-world factors such as market dynamics and the rate of user adoption. As the network continues to grow, these elements will play a crucial role in determining the coin's actual worth. Reflecting on the $314,159 global consensus value, it's clear that this figure has sparked both excitement and skepticism within the Pi network community. While the number is rooted in the mathematical constant pi and has become a symbol of aspiration for many, it lacks official endorsement from the Pi core team and is widely regarded by analysts as unrealistic given current market dynamics. The ongoing discussions highlight the community's enthusiasm, but also underscore the challenges of achieving such a high valuation. As the Pi network continues to develop and more coins are mapped to mainnet wallets, the actual value of Pi will ultimately be shaped by user adoption and real-world utility. For now, the $314,159 GCV remains more of a community-driven concept than a likely reality, with the future of Pi dependent on practical growth and market acceptance.